Hey everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Zoom desktop app in Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Zoom download. We'll be having the official link zoom.us download. Select this, and here we are having Zoom Workplace for Windows, and this is the 64-bit version. I'll just click it. The download will be getting started. The installer is about 140 MB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just open it. So the installation will begin. Just be patient for a while. And that's it. We will be getting the Zoom interface like this. You can directly sign in or join a meeting and use it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.